Hi there, I'm Mark Wills, educator of the loan signing system. I teach thousands of notary signing agents across the country how to build a successful notary business. And every Monday, I go live on Instagram to coach notaries one-on-one. So if you're looking for coaching on how to market your notary business, strategies that are working in today's market, and find solutions to problems you're currently facing, then these live sessions are for you. In fact, here's the latest episode. Make sure you take notes so you can implement these strategies today. Hello, what's up, Jay?
Hi.
Everybody, where you're from, and let's have a conversation.
I'm from Virginia.
So where are we at? What can I help coach you on today?
Okay, so I just want to first acknowledge that your system works, okay? I'm in the middle of scaling to direct business, and I'm just slowly adding like one at a time, but it's working.
I love it. Well, hold on. It's working because you're working the course. And that's what I'm proud of you about. I'm proud that you got the signing service business under you. Now you know the next step is to start scaling, going out of your comfort zone. So what I hear is a student who's actually implementing what's in the course. And it'd be crazy to hear this, but there's a lot of students who don't. So I want to make sure I commend you and give you your stars because the course does work. I just got to get you to work the course. So where are we in our transition to direct?
So I just decided to stop taking orders at least under $100.
I actually don't want you to do that.
Okay.
What I want you to do, because look, I'm not anti-signing service, believe it or not. I am pro-revenue. So my point is this. I want you, anyone listening, to turn down a signing when you're actually using that time to go market to direct. But if it's sitting on your rear end and doing nothing or taking a $60 signing, take the $60 signing. In a perfect world, you're not sitting around doing nothing. You're actually marketing your business. Because remember, as you start scaling, there's only two types of days. There's signing days and marketing days. There's signing hours and marketing hours. So I'm proud of you if you turn down a $60 signing to go market. I am not proud of you for being like, I'm not worth $60 and doing nothing. That is a very unsuccessful person mindset, because that signing could lead you to a loan officer who could lead you to a local escrow or title officer. You're calling up the loan officer in every closing saying, thank you for the business, trying to create a relationship. If you're doing a purchase, why aren't you reaching out to the realtor? Say, I just want to say thank you so much for the opportunity. I know you don't know who I am, but I'm just calling that you know that the signing went complete. I'm also saying thank you for allowing me to be the signing agent on this closing. So let's close the loop to your business by showing gratitude to everybody.
Yeah.
We have this signing, which is also a lead gen opportunity that you're not taking advantage of.
Gotcha.
And that signing at 8 o'clock for $80 may change your business, but you're looking at it as $80. I'm looking at it as a possibility of meeting a title officer I may have never met.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
All right. You can build a massive business exactly where you are. So I'm proud of you. Don't stop and build a business from here. I'm talking here. Okay. And when you do, your idea of like, why would they want to hear from me? Well, why wouldn't they want to hear from you?
Flip it.
Flip it. Exactly right. Elaine, talk to me. How are you?
All right. So I changed jobs. I'm now working only 30 hours a week, so I have more time available.
Love it.
And I've been to a couple of title companies just to refresh, you know, and go see them. I had a signing service send me, you know, an opportunity, and what threw me was it said to answer the question either of an office like attorney or title.
Yeah.
And it threw me off because I don't have anybody that I have an agreement with go ahead and use their office. So I wanted to get clarification from you on that. What you do in that situation?
Okay. So in the state of Texas, cash out refinances, home equity line of credits need to be done either in an attorney's office or a title office itself. Okay. So there's a ton of attorneys that will rent out rooms to notaries. Okay, for $10 an hour, $15 an hour. Okay. Now, in order to find those, just utilize the network within our loan signing system group. Tina Scott is your ambassador. She's in Houston, but we have students in every major city inside your group. So just ask, hey, I just got an offer for a cash out refinance. They're requesting an attorney's office. Does anybody know an attorney's office who will let notaries do loan signings? So that is your answer. Make sure you join your Texas state group. Make sure you're putting out feelers and get those ahead of time now that you finally got a job that requires an attorney's office or a title office to rent out.
Okay, good to know. because it really threw me off.
No, good. That's why I come on every Monday, so I can tell you exactly what you learned. So every Monday, jump on, but make sure you're reaching out inside your Facebook community. That is the purpose of the state-specific groups.
I will do that. And the place I went back to, she actually asked me how much I would charge. And I said, better than that, I said, my most important thing, the thing most important to me is building a relationship with you. So that whatever you're accustomed to paying, I will accept that. And of course, she said, well, we generally go from anywhere from 150 to 250. So I said, that's perfect, fine. I can accept that. So I'm hoping that something good will come of that.
Well,
Because
let's take a pause right there. Let's take a pause. Let's get the word hoping out of our vocabulary.
Yeah.
You now have what you call a full-blown lead.
Yeah.
So the question now is, are you gonna wait for your lead to make the next move, or are you gonna make the next move?
I'm gonna.
You have. That's my point. So I just want to make sure I'm changing the vernacular or the mindset in your mind. There's no hope anymore. The hardest thing is to get a conversation for a lead. You have that.
Yeah.
Now your job is to continue to follow up, continue to add value, continue to be top of mind, because this is where most notaries fall. Well, Mark, I had a great conversation with someone at a title office. It became nothing. Well, that's your fault it became nothing. Maybe you don't even get this signing. Maybe you get the signing in 3 weeks. Mm-hmm. But the point I'm trying to coach you on right now is, remember, the leads are your job to maturate, to water. And so I'm proud of you because you're working as hard as any LSS student. I just need you to keep a good, positive attitude. Keep doing what you're doing. And I promise you, as the market starts to turn in our favor, it will not be in vain.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, go get them. Let's go. If you can learn to build your business from your heart, meaning that like you can just show gratitude, not because you're trying to get more business, because like that's the nice human thing to do. People will recognize that, and people will want you in their contacts. People will want to use you as a signing agent. So build your business from your heart, and let's build this business to the moon. I hope you got value from this one-on-one notary coaching session. Make sure to attend the next coaching session next Monday on my Instagram page. And if you're ready to get started on building your notary business, click the link below to join the loan signing system today. If you like this video, hit like, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. And as always, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. Let's go.